Okay, for this section, we're talking about the extend surface function. This is actually a pretty useful function when we are doing all kinds of surface editing, especially when we want to trim a surface and the surface size is not large enough. Let's take this blade as an example. So if we want to construct the top surface of blade, of course, the first thing would be getting the top surface. We can do it by draw some guideline. Like this. Too much. Okay. Then usually the next thing would be loft to get the blade shape. Like this. Okay. So now we have the top surface. Second thing is we need to construct the sketch to cut the shape. So we start from the 2D sketch. It's a little bit too far away. Let's get it closer. Okay. Now we want to do an outline of the mesh. Make it more continuous. And we can create. So can quickly get the sketch like this, fitting all the lines here as well. Now let's close it. Okay, so now we have the sketch. Just extrude to get the shape. Okay, we don't need a solid. So you see, if we want to cut the shape, the current surface is too small. So what we can do is we select the loft surface, and here we select extend surface to make it larger. Try not go too far, but anyway, it works. Okay? And in this way, we can actually trim and get what we want.